Hey there, today we have another video tutorial. This time, you will learn how to create a testimonial slider for your websites. Customer testimonials are powerful in terms of boosting conversion rates. If your business has customer feedback, you can showcase them on your site. These reviews can be embedded anywhere on your site, including the homepage, pricing page, and as a floating widget. The video description includes all the links to the website where you can create a testimonials widget and resource guide. So, check out those links if you want to make a responsive testimonials widget for your marketing campaigns. Let's get started. Sign up on the website we have linked in the description of this video and search for the Testimonials Slider app from the app catalog. Once clicked, you will be directed to a visual widget builder page where you can create your testimonials widget without any coding knowledge. This visual builder includes several templates to get you started quickly. Those templates are unique in design and layout style. So, let's take a look at those templates. You can fast forward to next step if you want to find out how to customize it. Your widget builder will include several templates based on different layouts. When you click on each template, the preview panel will immediately showcase the live view of it. Remember that all of these templates are customizable and can be edited to resonate with your brand and website theme structure. Since these templates are mobile-friendly, they will look and perform perfectly on all devices, including mobile devices. On the customizable panel, there are settings to edit the layout specially for mobile viewers as well. Once you have selected a template to get started, click on the Continue with this template button on your editor, and you will see a similar screen. As you can see, there are now several panels on the editor. Content is selected by default, and on this section, you can add reviews to your testimonials widget. You can edit or delete existing reviews from the list, rearrange them, or add new one entirely. One benefit of using a widget builder like this is that you can change testimonials anytime and customize details like content, star rating, reviewers' details, and photos. This enables higher flexibility and let you test your marketing experiments. Adding a new testimonial is also a lot easier. Click on the Add Testimonial button and add your content. When you add content, it will appear on Preview panel of Widget Editor so you can make adjustments as you wish. Once you have finished adding testimonials, you may want to change the layout or customize it. As you can see, there are several layout options. The best part is you can customize every one of them. The testimonial section of the widget editor has options to customize the appearance of testimonials and control the visibility of items or elements of reviews content, such as verified badges, profile pictures, dates, etc. Now we are almost done creating your testimonial slider widget. But what if you want to customize its appearance? Yes, you can style it various ways on the Style panel. You can select a color scheme, accent color, font family, and customize elements by going through each part as shown in video. If you find any customization is missing from the list, you can simply use the Custom CSS section to add your own styles. The final section, Settings, will have several options that you can use to upgrade your widget further. Schema.org markups and custom JavaScript are two of those. Once you have created the widget, you can preview the widget on both mobile and desktop views for the last time before publishing. Remember that you can come back to this editor later and customize widget like now. Give your new testimonial slider widget a name you can recall and publish. Close the editor, and you will see the widget management page. On this page, you can manage your widgets. For example, you can get the share link to a particular widget and share it with your colleagues. Click on the Install button to get the embed code. Copy it and paste it on your website's theme, template, or source code editor. Here, I will install it on my WordPress website. Copy and paste the HTML code where I want to showcase testimonials. That was easy, wasn't it? You really don't need to hire a web developer to create a website widget like testimonial slider or review widget for your website. Using a method like the one shown in this video, you can create one yourself easily. Since you're doing it, you can be creative and make an excellent widget for your situation. So, I hope this video was helpful. If you like it, please thumb up and share with your friends. This motivates us to create more video tutorials like this. Don't forget to subscribe our channel to receive notifications for new video uploads like this in future.